What's poppin', you guys? It's your girl Chanel, and today we're making my famous sofrito. If you guys don't know what sofrito is, pretty much it's a bunch of peppers, onion, just a bunch of herbs and everything all mixed together. It's a Spanish recipe. I'm Puerto Rican, half Puerto Rican. So in my family, we put sofrito in everything. When we make beans, we make rice, we season our chicken with it, of course with other seasonings too, but this is like one of the main ingredients for everything I make. We used to buy the sofrito, but now I just use the container to put my own in. So this is the one that we used to buy, but it's not that good. It's not as good as making it at home, you guys. So I like to use different types of peppers. I love all the colors because they're sweet. So I have a red pepper, a yellow pepper, and an orange. I have 16 ounces of garlic. You need 2 sweet yellow onions, 2 cubanelle peppers. I have a bunch and a half of cilantro and then 1 bunch of culantro. I found all this stuff pretty much at our international market because here in North Carolina they don't sell it in the regular stores. Like these peppers and culantros, the hardest things to find. But let's get started. Alright, you guys, so all you have to do first is cut up your peppers. You can cut them into big pieces, and I put them in a food processor and blend everything all together. Don't forget that every part of the pepper is good. Alright, you guys, these are our peppers. Next we cut up the onions. My eyes is burning. For real. Whew. I'm over here crying, guys. So I'm lazy and I get garlic that's peeled already. You can peel your own garlic if you'd like. The only thing I do is take this part off because it's nasty. Cut up the garlic. Or cut the ends off the garlic. You need like that whole bag. That bag is 16 ounces. So I use 16 ounces of garlic. Sounds like a lot, but it's so good. All I do with this is literally break it in half. Literally break it in half just so that it fits in the blender. You don't even have to do that. And then my cilantro, I just put it in the blender. So these are our ingredients, you guys, for the sofrito. You can taste it already. Alright, you guys, now we blend it up. I'm using a food processor. There's no specific order that this stuff has to go in. You just throw it in and blend it. It's that easy. And once my processor is full, I start to blend. And I'm gonna use all these ingredients, and I gotta blend it down. So here we go. Oh, gotta plug it in. So a little at a time, add more. Alright, you guys, so mine is super full, but I just get a spoon. Gotta get everything blended. Believe it or not, you guys, this does not last us very long. You guys ready? There we have it, you guys. Sofrito! I promise you guys, this will take your food from a 5 to a 10. Promise. So, to store this, I use my sofrito container, the one that I used to buy. You can use like an ice tray and put them in the ice tray, freeze them into cubes and put them in like a freezer bag. You can use mason jars, whatever you have. How good does that look? Alright, you guys, there you have it. As easy as that was, you can make that at home. Homemade sofrito. You can put that on everything.
I put that on everything.
Alright, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe. All you gotta do is click the button, you guys. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you're notified every time we drop a new banger. Make sure you guys join the M gang, because if you ain't rolling with us, you ain't lit. Alright, you guys, peace.